ओम श्री गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम श्री स्वामी शिवानंद परमहंसायने नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Namaste to everybody. I welcome you all for our Livia Yoga Life channel. I hope you have enjoyed the previous standing asanas also. Now today we would like to go for sitting posture asanas. I would like to take you for the Ardha Matsyendra Asana. This is called Ardha Matsyendra Asana. It is named after the rishi called Matsyendranath, because he used to meditate in this asana for years together in the caves or in a lonely place. He enjoyed this asana like anything. So the name of the asana is Ardha Matsyendra Asana. It is named after the rishi called Matsyendranath. Why? Because he used to meditate in this asana for years together. We are all struggling to go for that asana, and we are struggling to hold that asana for a minute. But the rishi used to meditate in that asana for years together. How great they are, no? So from them we have taken this asana. That's why it is named as a Ardha Matsyendra Asana. As usual, everybody have to notice this. Everybody have to take your body condition. If your body is not apt for that particular asana, don't do that. There are thousands of things are there you can do in yoga. As I am telling every time, there is no failure in yoga, right? So try to understand that. The people recently undergone the surgery for your abdomen, or those who have gone for the hernia problems, those are the cervical spondylitis, those who have gone for the backbone surgery, and those who have got for the cataract surgery, that people, please don't do that. Wait for some time. Your body energy level will resume back to normal. Then slowly with the help of any one of the yoga master with you, you can practice all that. Alright? Okay. Or otherwise, if you are all coming to our registering your name in our one-to-one yoga class, there also we can meet. I will teach you all the easy ways to do that. Right? Okay. Before starting the asana, I would like to thank all our followers, the subscribers, the viewers, those who are supporting our channel so much. Thank you so much. Now let's go for the asana. Before we start any of the asanas, I am insisting you to do the minimum physical exercises. Even after 20 years also, we are doing the same, because it's a protocol. And if you get any catchings, or if you get any pain during the yoga practice, minimum you have to wait for 14 days. One fortnight you have to wait, then only the pain will slowly decreasing. That's why we are insisting you to practice the minimum level of yoga physical exercises. So for this sitting also, I am showing you some of the easy way of exercises. You can do that easily, right? Now keep your one hand on the floor, take your other hand up. Just move the upper body forward. See, bringing the hand down is easy. But your body, upper body, has to move like this. Many people are doing the mistake like this. Just bringing the hand down. It is easy, no? For everybody, hand is coming down. But what happened to the upper body? Upper body is stagnant. Then you don't get any flexibility. So raise your hand, move the upper body forward and try to hold your toe. Then bend your head down, then come up. Those who are unable to do this much, just raise your hand and touch like this, bend your head down. This is also okay. Now come up and do on the other side. I am showing you. Those who are flexible, reach your foot, bend your head down and come up. Or other way, touch like this, bend down, then come up. This you have to do each side 5 times. See, like this. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up. See, my fingers are going like this. 4, like this. 5, this. 6, up. 7, up. 8, up. 9, up. 10, up. Keep your hands like this, head like this, relax. Okay? Now, keep your legs a little closer. Right? Now, keep your body straight, but turn your shoulders towards your left side like this. With the support of this hand here, this hand is placed on the floor. Turn your head towards left back. Then come straight. Now turn to the other side. Just support your body. Then right hand is placed there. Turn your head to right. This also each 5 times. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Again, relax. Okay? So this exercise you have to do. The other way, for your hip joints, you have to rotate your legs. Just place your hands at back, take your legs up and rotate like this. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? I am showing the other side. If you feel any pain on your thighs and the calf muscles and the hip, 5 rounds, then keep it down. Opposite 5 rounds you can do after that also. Right? See, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it down. Relax. Now the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. So relax again. Right? Now for your understanding, I am turning this way and you can see the Ardha Matsyendrasana practice. Now just I am turning this side and I am sitting comfortably. Always try to keep your head and back straight. Don't hunch your shoulder like this. Don't sit like this. Support. Those who have pain here, support your hands and keep your head and back straight like this. So when you have a backbone straight, always it will become your habit. That also gives a lot of benefits for you. I'll tell you one by one. Right? Now for the Ardha Matsyendrasana, I am showing you this way. Sit straight and take 2 breathings like this. See? Right? Now breathing normal. Now fold your right leg like this for the left knee level. This is left knee and you are folding the right foot to the left knee level. Okay? Now this left foot is coming inside and this heels is touching your bum and you can adjust your legs like this. So here your heels is touching your body, the right foot is straight. Now keep your abdomen free. Right. Now cross your left hand. For right leg, I am taking the left hand and hit the knee here. Right. Then turn and try to hold it. You understand? I show you once again. Just to keep your legs like this. Breathing normal. Fold your right leg. Bring the left leg inside and keep your legs like this and place your legs conveniently. You can hold your leg. Sit erect for a while. Nothing is wrong. Sit comfortably. What is happening? But observe. Then after this, now for the right leg, your left hand has to be crossed. Right? So right leg is here. Take your left hand and hit the knee and take the toe. Hold your toes like this. Now your right hand goes back. Now turn your head this way. Now your breathing is little faster. Enjoy that. Now feel the twisting of your backbone. All the 33 bones are beautifully twisted. This right twisting always activates your left brain. Understood? Now we will slowly change the position. Now keep your body like this, relax, breathing. Right? Now fold your left leg, then bring the right leg below that and keep your leg like this and cross this way. Now for your left leg, the right hand is coming and hold this and this hand goes like this. Here also breathing is normal, but breathing is little faster. Don't worry, hold it and stay there. Then after 5 seconds, slowly release your postures. Now this is Ardha Matsyendra Asana. This yoga benefit, no, you cannot tell by words. It is a personal experience. See, I am doing the asana, no, I am enjoying. See, my mind is now calming down. Whatever may be the problems in our life, whatever may be the sorrows, just to do that, you will be free from that. That's what we would like to inculcate, the value of yoga to everybody. Right? This is Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Hope all of you enjoyed this asana. If you have any clarifications, you can come to one-to-one class. You can register yourself. We have the website also, www.livia.in. So in that website you can come and I am available there. Right? So don't worry about whatever you feel difficulties in all the asanas what I am posting, because there are many other ways also, easy ways are there. You don't worry about the perfect posture of all the asanas. Try. That's why I am telling you, there is no failure in yoga. If you are keep practicing that, you will become a master. You will become master. So don't worry, I will meet you in the next episode. Those who are very much convinced, those who are very much satisfied, those who are very happy to follow our yoga practices, you can, if you like, you can share it to others. Thank you very much.